Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on VIVO V50e. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. And now I have to click open and then click agree and continue, and here you can choose your default browser, or you can click cancel and you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to your Firefox account, or you can click not now again, and you can turn on notifications from this browser, or you can click not now. Now you can select your theme, or you can just click save and continue, and you can select your toolbar placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and it's ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.